Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact SQL Server edition and instance you will update. This matters because installers differ. Once identified, backup system and user databases and test those backups so you can recover if something fails. Next, make sure Windows updates and service packs are current and you have at least 10% free disk space. This avoids installer failures. Finally, stop non-essential apps, note current configuration, and run the update as an administrator so permissions are correct. You run the downloaded cumulative update for your exact SQL version. Choose interactive if you need prompts, or quiet for automated environments. During installation, watch the installer progress and tail the summary log so you catch errors early. Once the installer begins upgrading components, monitor the SQL error log and Windows event log to verify service startup and module patches. If you have availability groups, apply updates in the intended order. This prevents failovers and keeps replicas consistent. You restart SQL services and verify the instance addition and new build number to confirm the update applied. Once services are healthy, run dbcc checkdb on critical databases to detect corruption early, and validate SQL agent jobs and maintenance plans. Make sure schedules resumed. Test your applications and monitor performance counters for any regressions. If something goes wrong, restore from tested backups into an isolated environment to reproduce the issue. This helps isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.